Cadillac CTS 2010. AC is not working. I need to put the gauges. The guy says, another guy, put Freon, put the gauges and put Freon into the system. But it's not working. Okay, so we have an empty system. It's just the refrigerant, it was on the gauges. I'm gonna put refrigerant in it, a dye to check for leaks. Let me put the dye so we can check what's wrong with the AC, if it's just a leak. He said they put Freon or refrigerant, not Freon, into the system, but it never worked. Okay, let me see how much amount of refrigerant it needs, so I can put the right amount. Don't overfill it.
No, tú tienes todo lo prefuncional aquí, hombre, qué bárbaro.
Le voy a poner un dye ese para ver dónde está la fuga.
Hay uno que tiene como leak detector, ¿no? La air conditioner.
Sí.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your car, engine, air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling system.
Ya le eché, ya le llené y mira cómo me marca la aquí. Está bien alto.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
Está jalando el abanico.
No,
No viro tu abanico.
no sirve.
Aquí me llega corriente. Me llega tierra aquí, pero debe de ser en... tierra y corriente, ¿ves?
Sí.
Ahí está tierra está lo verde
Sí.
y está el corriente. A estos dos cables que van al abanico.
Ya.
El motor no quiere. Ahí está, mira.
¿Prendió?
Ahí prendió. No sirve el abanico. Ahorita que prendió, ahí va a bajar aquí la presión. Está bien despacito, no, hombre, no jala.
No.
No. Está bien despacito. Debe de jalar bastante ahí para que enfríe. Necesitamos el abanico para checar bien la presión. Ese es un problema y tienes una fuga, es otro, un leak, ¿verdad? ¿Ves cómo está allá abajo aquí? Que el abanico ya me está dando más. Este ya está
Sí, lo
enfriando,
está enfriando.
al condenser este que está aquí abajo.
Ya.
Tengo que poner el abanico y checar dónde está la fuga. Ya le eché el dye
Sí.
para que...
¿Saber dónde está el leak?
¿Dónde está el leak? Sí.
Entonces tienes que poner
Primero el abanico.
El abanico.
Okay, let's remove the radiator fan assembly. Disconnect this. Okay. Now we need to remove this. Remove the air cleaner, the air filter duct. goes out. To lift it, take it out. Okay, let's put this one right here. We're gonna have to disconnect this line, the transmission line. Let's disconnect the connector, push it in, push the tab down and pull it out. Alright, let's pull this one. Okay. Let me check if I can pull it out, tilt it this side, so I can leave this one connected. It's got one bolt here, another one here, down here, right here on this other side, and another one on the bottom. See, those are all 4 bolts. Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay. Let's see if we can get it out. Because I'm gonna have to remove nothing else. Okay. Let's install the new radiator fan assembly. Here we got it. Okay, let's put it the same way we took it off and we took it out. Right there. Let's put the bolt on this side and the bolt on this other side. Need to put the bolt down here, the right side. Okay, now let's tie them all. Tight, not too tight because it's plastic. There. Okay. Check if everything is free. Be careful with the blades. cut yourself. Let's connect this. Put this one right here and connect the connector. Okay, pull it out. It doesn't go out. Okay, you need to push the line in the bracket, transmission cooler line, and I need to remove this clip from this old fan. So right here, let's put this one in here, push the line in. Okay, now let's push this hose in here. Okay, so we got the AC fan assembly in place. Now let's put this air filter right here, the duct, and its new filter. Okay. Connect this and the master flow sensor. Alright, let's put the cover. Okay, now we need to put this cover right here, and that's it. And now we can check the AC, how it's working. Got the fan on. Let me get the gauges. Check pressures right now, because right now we got the fan working. Well, I'm gonna check it. Okay, yesterday the system was empty and we put refrigerant, and we noticed that this high side pressure goes all the way to 400 to 450, and we checked and the fan wasn't working fine. So right now we put the new fan on, and now we're gonna check the real pressure, and if it needs refrigerant we're gonna add it. Okay, let's start the engine. We got a fan that is working. Now let's check the pressures. Got a real nice pressures. I'm going to add some more refrigerant. We put oil, some oil, and the dye yesterday too, to check for leaks because the system was empty. Okay, let's put a little bit of refrigerant. We're gonna put the refrigerant in slowly. Let's check the temperature inside there. Outside here we have 92 degrees. See, 94 degrees out here. 95. Let's go in there. Nice and cold. All right, how many degrees we have on this car? $51. You can see the numbers to the right there. 52, 51, 52, 49, 48. Okay, we have 48 degrees coming out of this vent. We didn't fix anything else. We just put the radiator fan, which cools the condenser too. 49, 48 degrees we have on this Cadillac CTS. Okay, we have air conditioning working now. We can see right here it says 60 degrees, but actually it's 50. 51. So 48 degrees coming out from the. So we got the AC fix on this Cadillac CTS. Another AC fix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be uploading more videos. Takes me time. I don't wanna tell you that I'm gonna be I'm trying to upload a video every week, so I don't know, maybe it's gonna be your next project, and you're gonna see how or what you need to do. I'm fixing a lot of cars here, so I'm trying to videotape every car came in here. So we got the AC working on this CTS. Thank you very much.
Heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.